Zipper intro. Intro to zippers. Zipper 101. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Faren, your fashion guru, and today we're going to talk about the wonderful world of zippers. Everything you need to know about zippers. Okay? So let's get started. So this is my fashion studio. My name is Faren. Novelty zipper that we're going to talk about later. When I worked at a sewing supply store, they used to call me the zipper queen because I love zippers so much. Anyways, let's get into how you measure your zipper. First and foremost, how do you find what size you need for your project? Zippers have different gauges, okay? There could be a 10, a 5, a 3, and what does that even mean? It means that the zipper teeth is the gauge. As you can see from my measuring tape here, this is 5 millimeters in width. So the full length of the zipper teeth will give you the gauge of the zipper. However, you can also check on the back of the zipper head. It usually has a number stamped on there, either here or right on the top of the zipper head right here. That basically tells you that if you need a new zipper head or something, it gives you the gauge. Or if your pattern actually calls for a certain number, like a 3 coil zipper, then you know what they're talking about. Next, how do you measure a zipper, the zipper length? Some people think that it's the full length of the tape, but no. It is just the zipper teeth itself. So from the bottom of the zipper to the top where it meets at the zipper head, okay? So that will give you what your length of your zipper is. Let's get into what types of zippers are good for a project, okay? There's 2 types of zippers, closed and open. This is the open-ended zipper, and this is the closed-end zipper because it just has a stopper at the end. The metal zipper. There is coated and uncoated. This one is an uncoated zipper. You can tell by the feel of the zipper teeth. It's very dry, it's kind of sticky. When you move the zipper up and down, it sticks a little bit. Uncoated zippers have a tendency to lose their teeth because they often get stuck. Next is the coated zipper. You can tell because you can actually feel that it's very smooth on top. Moves very nicely up the zipper tape. Moves so nice. Wow. If the zipper head doesn't move smoothly down the zipper, it probably means that it's uncoated. You can fix this in some way by adding some beeswax down your zipper, down the zipper teeth, just like this. Rubbing that in there. I mean, I do it front and back. Then try zipping your zipper again. See? You don't hear it as much. Let's talk about zipper tape. There are 2 types. There's the synthetic type, which is polyester, and there is the cotton, okay? This can be dyed, which is great, but these are a little more expensive these days and usually used on jeans and stuff like that, so they dye with the batch of jeans that they're dyeing. Let's move on to the next one, which, you know, some people say that this is a metal zipper, but it's not. It's molded plastic. This is like basically your all-purpose like outerwear zipper. And then moving on to our 3rd zipper here, we have the coil, either nylon or plastic. It's coiled because you can see in the zipper teeth that it is kind of like a braid almost. This one is a coiled closed end zipper, and this one is a coiled open-ended zipper, or separating zipper as they call it. There you go. Okay, coil is really great for your all-purpose projects. You can use a coil on anything. Guess what? You can buy coil zippers by the meter. Let me show you. Here it is. So these are great for if you're doing like duvets or some upholstery or anything like that that need a super long zipper. You can buy this by the yard and you can cut them very, very easily. You can make your own stopper, which I can show you in another segment if you subscribe and hit the little link below so you can follow me. On to the next. One of my favorites is the invisible zipper. This is your typical invisible zipper because there is no coil on the front. You can find it on the back side. By rolling out the teeth, you just sew right in there super close. You don't even see the coil or the zip at all. These are great for evening wear, dresses, skirts, anything with like a lightweight. This is kind of an anomaly. You don't really see this much, but an open-ended invisible zipper. I think I saw it on a jacket one time, but it broke. It broke. Open-ended invisible zippers. Don't do it. Our Novelty zipper right here, which is pretty cool. I wanted to show you this because it's very much like an invisible zipper because we have the coil on the back side. Because of the heavy duty zipper pulls, this could easily be used for outerwear. We have each end with a zipper head. I don't personally like these because they're super difficult to like attach into themselves. I mean, I've always had problems with double-ended zipper heads, but that's my opinion. So whatever, more or less you would want a longer zipper than a shorter zipper because in any case you can cut your zipper, you can shorten it, and I can show you that in another episode to come. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. This is your fashion guru signing off. I just